554 solar days after the Mars Curiosity rover touched down. Upon inspection, amateur archaeologists announce a startling discovery.
The enigmatic terrain of Mars. Mars, often called the Red Planet, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Its distinctive reddish hue and alien landscape, marked by expansive deserts, towering volcanoes, and icy polar caps, make it both a subject of intrigue and a world that seems almost familiar yet undeniably foreign. For generations, we've speculated about what secrets this desert planet might hold, each new discovery adding layers to the mystery. But as humanity continues to send probes and rovers to explore Mars up close, a picture of its fascinating and complex landscape emerges, one that may force us to rethink our assumptions. Recent images transmitted by the Mars rover, our relentless robotic ambassador, have transformed our understanding of Mars' surface. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, this remarkable machine functions as both explorer and analyst, collecting soil and rock samples and capturing high-definition images of Martian landscapes. Each photograph reveals new layers of Mars history, hinting at what might once have been a more vibrant environment. From ancient riverbeds to gorges potentially shaped by flowing water, these snapshots offer glimpses into a past that might have supported life. Thanks to the rover's capabilities, scientists can now examine the surface of Mars with unprecedented clarity, revealing details that were once beyond reach. Surprising discoveries in the Martian soil. In its journey across the rugged Martian terrain, the rover has come across formations that defy immediate explanation, unusual structures that scientists are still striving to understand. These anomalies, preserved in the red dust and rocky surfaces, hint at something extraordinary. Some formations resemble patterns and shapes found in microfossils on Earth, while others evoke the appearance of organic material. Could these enigmatic features point to traces of life that once flourished on Mars, or are they simply products of natural geological processes? Although interpretations vary, these findings have invigorated the long-standing debate over whether Mars once had the conditions necessary to support life. One compelling theory suggests that Mars may have once had a thicker atmosphere and flowing water, potentially providing a habitable environment. If this theory holds, it would mean that life could have taken root on Mars long before the planet became the barren desert we see today. Though some scientists caution against jumping to conclusions, the potential implications of such discoveries drive further investigation. Could it be that Mars once harbored life, even in microbial form? The possibility is tantalizing and has captured imaginations worldwide, inspiring discussions that bridge scientific communities and the public at large. Unraveling Mars history with advanced technology. To fully grasp the significance of these Martian images, it's essential to understand the technology behind them. The Mars rover is no ordinary vehicle, it's a marvel of engineering, designed to withstand the planet's extreme conditions. From icy temperatures dipping to minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit to planet-wide dust storms that can last for weeks. Equipped with a super-resolution camera and a suite of high-tech instruments, the rover captures images with astonishing detail, enabling scientists to analyze the Martian terrain down to the finest particle. This camera, along with the rover's navigational systems, allows it to traverse previously inaccessible areas, bypass obstacles, and conduct sophisticated studies. The rover's equipment suite includes spectrometers capable of analyzing the chemical composition of Martian rocks and soil. By studying the reflected light from these surfaces, scientists can determine mineral content and assess whether these environments could have supported life. The rover's self-sufficiency is crucial, as communication delays between Earth and Mars require it to operate independently. With this autonomy, the rover can continuously collect data and images, maximizing its productivity and efficiency on Mars. Intriguing anomalies, are they signs of life? As it roams the Martian surface, the rover has encountered peculiar formations that raise questions about Mars' past. Some scientists believe these structures might suggest a biological origin, resembling fossilized remains of microorganisms. Others argue that the formations are simply unusual geological features. This debate is far-reaching, with some researchers speculating that Mars may have been more hospitable in its early history, with water and a dense atmosphere potentially allowing life to thrive. Such revelations compel scientists to look more closely at the red planet, sparking curiosity about whether Mars once hosted its own ecosystem, however primitive. This excitement extends beyond scientific circles. The possibility of life on Mars has inspired novels, films, and art, reflecting humanity's enduring fascination with the unknown. For many, these strange findings fuel dreams of discovery and keep the age-old question alive: are we alone in the universe? Even if these formations prove to be geological in origin, they serve as a catalyst for future exploration, encouraging scientists to continue piecing together Mars' complex history. The scientific community's response. The rover's findings have generated widespread interest and debate among scientists. Across disciplines, experts are closely examining the images, discussing the formation's origins, and exploring what these discoveries might mean for our understanding of life beyond Earth. While the potential biological implications thrill astrobiologists, chemists, geologists, and planetary scientists are also eager to contribute their insights. The discoveries on Mars have united scientists worldwide, spurring conferences and collaborations focused on advancing Mars research and developing innovative data processing methods. This excitement transcends the lab, becoming a cultural phenomenon. Documentaries, articles, and online discussions have fueled public interest, drawing millions of people into conversations about the search for life beyond Earth. Educational initiatives by space agencies like NASA seek to demystify the science behind Mars exploration, ensuring that the public remains engaged and informed. The rover's journey has also ignited interest in STEM fields, inspiring a new generation to dream of careers in science and space exploration. Mars exploration and public engagement. The rover's discoveries have captured the attention of the public, sparking conversations across social media and drawing in people from all walks of life. Online communities have formed around the Mars missions, where science enthusiasts and casual followers alike share their interpretations and hopes for future discoveries. This shared enthusiasm fosters a sense of unity, with diverse individuals coming together under a common goal to unravel the secrets of the universe. Schools and educational organizations are leveraging this moment to promote STEM programs, encouraging young students to explore the mysteries of science. As a result, Mars exploration has evolved into a cultural event, leading to increased funding for space programs and bolstering support from policymakers. The surge in public interest benefits not only NASA but also private companies and international collaborations aiming to extend humanity's reach into space. For many, Mars represents the potential for a new chapter in human history, one filled with scientific breakthroughs and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Looking ahead, the future of Mars exploration. As the rover continues its mission, plans for future Mars exploration are already in motion. Scientists and engineers envision missions with advanced rovers and landers capable of conducting more detailed studies and even collecting samples to bring back to Earth. The anticipated Mars Sample Return Mission, a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency, promises to revolutionize our knowledge of Mars. By returning Martian soil and rock samples to Earth, this mission will allow for the most precise analysis yet, potentially unveiling secrets about Mars' past environments and habitability. Meanwhile, the dream of human habitation on Mars is no longer confined to science fiction. Advances in technology and growing interest from private space companies like SpaceX bring us closer to the reality of human exploration on Mars. Imagine standing on the Martian surface, looking at rocks that might hold clues to ancient life. Companies are working to make human settlement on Mars a possibility within the coming decades, transforming an aspirational goal into a tangible target. Uncovering the mysteries of microbial life. The search for microbial life on Mars, while challenging, is driven by a deeper question: what does it take for life to survive? Mars presents a hostile environment, with freezing temperatures and high radiation levels, yet scientists believe that microbial life may have existed there long ago. To improve the odds of finding life, researchers are using advanced tools designed to detect biosignatures or chemical indicators of life. Techniques such as gas chromatography and mass spectrometry help scientists identify organic molecules that might hint at biological activity. In their quest, scientists are also studying Earth's most extreme environments, such as the ice fields of Antarctica and hydrothermal vents, to better understand how life might adapt to Mars-like conditions. If life could thrive in such inhospitable places on Earth, perhaps it could have done so on Mars as well. Discovering microbes on Mars, no matter how small, would redefine our understanding of life's resilience and expand our knowledge of life's potential beyond Earth. Ethical implications of space exploration. The possibility of discovering life on Mars raises profound ethical questions. If we do encounter Martian life, even in microbial form, we must consider our responsibilities as explorers. How do we balance human exploration with the preservation of alien ecosystems? Should we prioritize scientific study over human expansion, or vice versa? These questions prompt us to approach space exploration with caution, ensuring that we act responsibly as we venture into unknown worlds. Protecting both Earth and Mars from contamination is another pressing concern. Strict protocols are necessary to prevent Earth microbes from contaminating Martian ecosystems and vice versa. Beyond the scientific considerations, finding life on Mars could have significant philosophical and spiritual implications, challenging us to rethink humanity's place in the universe and our relationships with other forms of life. The role of private space companies. The exploration of Mars has increasingly become a collaborative effort between government agencies like NASA and private companies. Organizations such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are investing heavily in technologies to make space travel more affordable and accessible. SpaceX's ambitious goal to land humans on Mars within the next decade could be transformative, with the company's Starship spacecraft designed to transport people and cargo, facilitating future colonization. These private companies bring renewed momentum and resources to space exploration. Their involvement has spurred innovation, reduced costs, and inspired the public, making Mars exploration an attainable goal for humanity as a whole. However, this shift also presents challenges, as regulations and ethical guidelines must be adapted to account for private entities. As we look forward, a careful balance must be maintained to ensure that Mars remains a site for peaceful exploration and scientific discovery. Conclusion: Mars as humanity's next frontier. The discoveries made by the Mars rover have brought humanity closer to answering age-old questions about our place in the cosmos. Mars remains a realm of endless curiosity and potential, where each new finding deepens our desire to explore. The idea of life beyond Earth may soon become more than speculation, shaping not only scientific advancements but also the future of human exploration. As we continue our journey to understand Mars, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that await us, both on the red planet and beyond. Each step brings us closer to a future where Mars may no longer be a distant dream, but a destination that could one day become a home. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like our video, leave comments, and subscribe. Also, click on the video showing on your screen to watch another of our interesting videos. See you there.